Okay, I will use a very simple example of the risk management to show you how can you integrate AI into our project management. So this figure is extracted from the Project Management Institution in 2021. So it shows a very simple workflow about the risk management. We have at very initial stage, we want to plan the risk management, and then we will consider some experience from the experts or the previous projects. We identify some potential risks, and then maybe the project manager or other people will to plan some strategies to handle these risks. Okay, and then we go into this stage is to take some action when the risks occur. And then we go into the final stage is about the risk monitoring. That means we will update our plan over time. So it's very traditional risk management workflow. But nowadays, how can we integrate AI into this traditional framework? Is that you can say the risk planning, risk identification is the same. And this two part is also the same, okay? The main part is that we will let our risk documentation use some AI tool to help us to broaden our thinking. And then we will incorporate with the human review to decide the AI's results. So you can say in the AI assistant framework, we will incorporate two steps, very important, okay? One is you use some model to get some results. And then the second one, you need a human in the loop to help you to review the context from the AI decision. Okay, so we include these two important steps in this AI assistant framework. So it is a simple case in the AI assistant framework. If you organize a workshop and you identify one risk is about the morning traffic jam, so maybe the morning traffic jam may delay the workshop, and then with the AI support, you may select the ChatGPT or any suitable AI tool. And then let's take the ChatGPT as example. You can use a very simple prompts to ask them, and then to let the GPT give you some response. Okay, so at least two response, and it is the first step we mentioned. And then we go into the next step. We need a human to review this different response. If it fits the ethical issues or it satisfies our requirement, that means we will accept the AI tool's decision. And then we go into the next stage. Okay, so it is a very simple process how AI and human in the loop can help us to refine our project process. So even though it is very simple, but the logic behind them can apply into other different and complex projects. Okay, so we finished the part of the how can we use some AI models to help to support the project management. And we go into the third part is about the AI ethics. You can see this chart is about the AI incidents. And the incidents means maybe some failure, very severe failures, system failures, or some issues related to the fear and transparency. Okay, so its data is from the public an online data set, and you can see its increase side. So based on this chart, you may think the AI tool is a very efficient tool, but for the project management, we need to not only consider the AI tool's efficient way, but we also need to take on the ethical and the legal responsibility. So I will take the same example in the traffic system. So if I ask you a very simple question, is that if an AI-driven vehicle occur an accident, who is responsible for this accident? So you may give me some answer. The people in the vehicle, in the car, should be responsible for it. Or the AI system provider should be responsible for it. Or the company should be responsible for it. So it's a very common question in the AI ethic challenges. Okay, so in this subject, later on, we will explain it more. So also, for the ethical challenge in AI, we may consider the different aspects. So in this slide, I just show you two-dimensional, but I hope you can consider more. So maybe you can consider the AI ethic from our AI workflow. Okay, to sum up, I introduced a very general idea of how can we transform from the traditional project management into the AI project management. And also I introduced a very simple example.
那首先呢，带大家简单的认识一下香港理工大学。香港理工大学呢，也是有非常悠久的历史了。它是于1937年成立，从一开始的这个高级工业学院呢，慢慢演变发展成一个综合性的一个大学。那现在的排名呢，也是在全香港甚至世界呢，都是名列前茅的一个排名。那这个是我们理工大学的一个管理结构，那它下属呢是有几个不同的学院和学系，其中就包括我们专业进修学院的这么一个教学单位。
And first of all, we welcome the applications from all kinds of backgrounds. And talking about the program of the Master of Science in AI and Emerging Technologies Management, we have compulsory subjects. 那么上面这一半的话就是必修的科目在 compulsory subject 啦哈。And you can see that we covered different backgrounds like the Web3 technologies, AI for business, and AI enhanced project management. We actually try to integrate both a technology aspect and also the business and management aspect. 那就希望同学们可以学得到不光是 technology 也有一点 management 的，也有一点 business 还有这个我们会安排 seminar， 會有 industrial sharing， 咁多方面嘅，希望同學咧可以了解到cutting edge knowledge 啦，要學到唔同 experience 啦 ，from 唔同嘅 background 啦嚇。下面這一半的話呢，就是選修的科目，即係 elect 啦嚇 ，elective subjects。And you can see it covers even broader topics 那會有 auditing 有關的，有一點點 finance，accounting and finance。那也會有artificial intelligence and digital health， 就會是跟健康學有關啦，生命健康啦等等。那可能也有同學問你呢科叫 AI 喎，有冇 coding 嘅咧？其實呢，我們把它放到了 elective subject， 那就是 local and local AI solutions。And actually the in-depth studies varies 那在 tutorial 的時候呢，老師會根據學生的需要掌握這個難度If you have the need to study the in-depth knowledge， 我們可以在 tutorial 的時候給有需要的同學加深。 那如果你覺得我學會應用就可以了，不用去做 coding 咁都係可以嘅I just need to know how to use， 識用就可以，唔使去 coding 啦，去到咁深都得嘅
那非常重要的一點呢，就是同學畢業之後呢，是可以獲發入境事務處安排的這個非本地畢業生留港就業簽證的這麼一個俗稱 IANG 簽證的一個安排。也就是拿到這個簽證的同學呢，在畢業之後是可以在香港無條件的逗留一段時間，通常是2年的時間那在這個逗留期間呢，是可以自由的去找工作，或者是可以去gap一段時間，或者可以再就讀其他的課程都可以的。